What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the calls not receiving issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, the calls not receiving issue will be fixed, but if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on sound and vibration. Now in sound and vibration, scroll down and tap on do not disturb, and here you will see a do not disturb button. So if you want to receive phone calls, then you have to turn off do not disturb. So if this button is turned on, then you will not be able to receive any reminder for incoming calls and notifications. So to receive phone calls, turn off this do not disturb button, and after that the calls not receiving issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the calls not receiving issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.